Hi Mustangs, this is Coach Bockert. I'm sending out some plays online just so you can see what they look like in graphic form, and hopefully this will help you to remember what you do on this play. This particular play is called Downtown, and on Downtown, the 5, the high post is screening down for the 4. The 4 is curling around that screen, and then the point guard is throwing the ball to the 4 on the curl. So the ball is going down. That's why the name is Downtown. And also, the high post is screening down. So the name gives two players a hint as to what they do. Downtown. I'm going to rewind it, play it one more time. See the high post player is going down to set a screen for the 4. The screen's curling. And then the point guard throws the ball to the 4.